Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a Kawasaki KRX 1000. Wanted to show you a little bit about what we're doing with the RZR door bags on the KRX. As you've seen, we've been installing these on the KRX for a while now, and wanted to give you a little look on how the install goes and what they look like installed. This screw right here is a factory screw that matches up to the knee pad and door bag perfectly. This screw also matches up perfectly. You do have some Velcro that goes along the top, and then we have installed some big head plastic push darts, one right there and two in the middle. These holes are already in the knee pads, so it's super easy to install there. You do have that nice padded spot as well as a big zippered compartment on the side. I'm 6'1", and from the inside, there's a view of the passenger side. The knee pads work out perfectly, and then you do have that gear bag on the side. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. These are available in many colors as far as the piping goes. And there you have it, the RZR knee pad storage compartment installed on the KRX 1000. Have a great day, everybody.